This number is the only reason why you're not losing weight. People think fat loss is magic or genetics. It's not. It is an engineer problem. Today, I'm going to show you exactly the math to fix it. TDEE, Total Daily Energy Expenditure. It's simple. The energy that you burn if you're in a coma plus the activity that you have on a day-to-day basis. So TDEE is your BMBR plus activity level. To calculate your BMBR, you need your age, height, and your weight. So for me, I'll be 28 years, 6 feet, and 175 pounds. That is your energy that you burn if you're in a coma. My BMBR is about 1,800 calories a day. For calculate this, you can use either AI. There's calculators online for you to figure that out. So you're gonna add this to your activity. Activity equals to your steps plus either going to the gym or any other exercise that you do, walking, running, swimming. I talk a lot of steps because it's something that's easy to measure and it's easy to do. So the higher your steps is, the higher activity is gonna be and the higher your TDEE is gonna be. My TDEE is approximately 3,000 calories. Right now I'm doing a reverse diet where I'm climbing every week 100 calories to try to get exactly my TDEE. But when you're starting out, that's gonna be an estimate. It's okay. You need to have something to start off. And every week you can make adjustments. To lose 1 pound of body weight, you need to have a deficit of 3,500. To gain 1 pound of body weight, you also have to have a surplus of 3,500. Energy in equals to energy out. Your energy in is the food that you consume plus your deficit. The extra energy exactly from either your fat or your muscles. The goal is to get exactly from your fat. Cal consumed cannot be way too lower than your TDEE. What you eat per day has to be lower than your TDEE for you to create a deficit. And when this deficit is equal to 3,500, then you lose 1 pound of body weight. To do this in 7 days, you need to divide this by 7. So 3,500 divided by 7 equals to 500 calories. Every week, you will lose 1 pound of body weight. So we know a deficit to lose 1 pound of body weight equals to 500 calories. You know my TDEE is 3,000. To find my calorie goal, you need to do your TDEE minus your deficit. So it's 3,000 minus 500 equals to 2,500. But we are humans, and it's really hard to eat the same thing every day. So let's create 2 scenarios for you to understand how this can play out in your day-to-day life. So for this scenario, the TDEE is at 3,000 and the calorie goal is 2,200. A little bit aggressive. The deficit is 800, which is equal to about 1.5 pounds of body weight per week. So first day, Monday, we go and we hit your target, so the calories consumed 2,200. Tuesday, we consume the same, 2,200, doing great. Wednesday, 2,200, awesome. Thursday, 2,200. Friday, 2,200. So we're following the diet for the plan every day of the week. Come Saturday, and we're like, oh, we have a birthday party. We eat a little bit more, but we eat exactly 3,000. So it's still okay. You know, we didn't eat more than what we burned. And then Sunday's a barbecue. We go a little bit crazy and then we eat 3,500. Let's analyze how this person did. So we had a deficit of 800 all these days. Here we had no deficit. And here we had a surplus of 500. So let's calculate how this person did. 800 times 5, that is 4,000. Here is no deficit minus 500. This scenario, we had a total deficit of 3,500, which is equal to 1 pound of body weight. So as long as you do well during the week and you don't go way too crazy on the weekend, you're still able to achieve your goals and make progress. Let's analyze another scenario. So it's another week, somebody's just starting a plan, have their calorie goal, know their deficit, person knows their TDEE. First day, eats exactly what they're supposed to eat. Second day, it's exactly what they're supposed to eat. Wednesday, they have an office lunch. So they eat a little bit. They eat about like, I don't know, 2,800. They still create a deficit. Great. Thursday, calorie goal. Friday, calorie goal. Saturday, I did so good this week. So like, I don't care. I'm just going to go drink, have fun. And then they go too much, like 6,000 calories. And Sunday goes, and this person feels, oh, I ate so much yesterday that today, go back to my plan, eat 2,200. So let's see how this person did. Saturday, this person went crazy, and we had negative 3,000. And then here we have another 800. Let's calculate. 5 times 800 with 4,200 minus 3,000, 1,200. About a third of body weight. Because he got the plan in 5 days, is still able to create a small deficit. This specific day, Saturday, almost erase all the week of work. You, by knowing those two values, TDEE, in your calorie goal, even when you go out and you eat more than you're supposed to, as long as you make sure that you're not overeating way too much, you can still gonna make progress if you are consistent on the other days of the week. Because nobody's perfect. Nobody's gonna follow their plan every single day of the week. But when you don't follow it, you also have to be mindful how you are eating. Now that you know your targets, it's very important for you to track everything. You have to track your weight daily, because weight, when you track it, is gonna have fluctuations. It's gonna go up and down, because you have water retention, you gotta eat more food. It's very important that you see the average of the week. If your weight is trending down week by week. If your weight's not trending down, you can always look back your food logs. You can adjust. Maybe you're eating way too much. You can also go higher on your steps. Steps is another thing that you need to track, and also your calories and protein. You have to track everything that you eat. Even when you're going out, you're never gonna be 100% exact. You have to try to do your best, and that's okay. Your best is totally fine. Your protein is gonna be equal to 1 gram per pound of body weight. It's very important for you to eat your protein to make sure that you don't lose muscles. To log your food, there's many different apps. I use Fitbit, but MyFitnessPal is good. There are cheap ones online. You can use an Excel sheet as well. You have to track every day. If you don't track it, you don't know it. If this all sounds complicated, I'm here to help you. My channel is small right now, so I am willing to help you for free. Just comment below your height, your weight, your activity level, and your steps, and I will personally calculate for you, or you can DM me on Instagram. I just want to make sure that we start and we take action. It's not complicated, it's just math. Let's solve it. See you next one.